फर्स्ट फ्रॉम ऑल सगळ्यांनी फर्स्ट त्यावर नो त्यापेक्षा प्रायव्हेट जर असं जर मोठे झाड असाल तर यू टू टेक आस्क परमिशन फ्रॉम डेप्युटी कलेक्टर
बुक काढून प्रयाण आले
हाँ ते
तुलाम किती चाललं असं
asking for the history of our municipality that is provided as a ASA that I have and we are and सांगले की बाबा ती सेंट्रल लायब्ररी कोणती असा for which I drafted a letter. I asked her to draft a letter, show it to CEO also. And this Lota Kurma, even after paid on credit, he might go to Ullas, Advocate Ullas Progress Act, in Portuguese. So we will translate it and get it done. After municipality, we are big asset. Now, this municipality, when I come as a member of this market library committee, it is my wish that Vargavka should be benefited out of it. I have already drafted a letter. I will make an official letter. And to me, I will write it on a letter and we will
create facilities.
Yeah.
Then
Exactly. Creation of facilities. And then bonding should be created. Baba, कितीतरी एक प्रोग्राम बघा कितीतरी बाबा लोक येया तरी अनवाचे आसा एक कितें तरी भुरग्यां एसे कॉम्पिटिशन दवरलें आनी त्या निमित्याक तरी लोक लायब्ररी
लायब्रेरियन डॉक्टर विक्रम मागवंता असिस्टंट लायब्रेरियन गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी डॉक्टर विक्रांत मागवंता
ओके ओके
असिस्टंट प्रोफेसर मिलिंद मामा आहे मागे आमकां मातशें ब्रीफ करा मार मागीर
Today we have Goa University librarian who is in charge of Goa University. He had come here to inspect the Margam Municipal Library. A few days back, there had come the paper that some Portuguese books, about 1,500 books, there were some insects or some were not maintained properly. So the Goa University Vice Chancellor has sent him here for inspection to preserve these books. So today he has instructed our librarian how to preserve, and all the instruction will be given to her, and she will be maintaining the books.
Most of Portuguese books, I think.
Yeah, most of the Portuguese books were affected.
Thank Goa University management for deputing their all the library section, all the library section on the in charges, everything. So we have called them because there are 1,500 Portuguese books which are rare. We had also an offer from the Portugal whether we are selling them. We said no, we are trying to preserve this for future because this is a rare Portuguese collection which will not be available in other places, and we have sought all their assistance how to preserve them for another 200 years. So as per the guidance and direction from our senior librarian to Goa University, we will be complying all the directions given to us and see that this library is maintained for future.
So मातशें पर्सन
हांगा अशें ओल्ड अशें कलेक्शन आसा जें रेर एंड व्हॅल्युएबल तें कशें प्रिजर्व करचें पयलीं आमची मागणी तेंची म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलाची मागणी आसा आनी तेणें आमकां लेटर बरयलें थ्रू वायस चान्सलर ते येवन मातशें पळय म्हणून वायस चान्सलर आमकां इंस्ट्रक्शन दिलें तुमी वचून पळया आनी मागीर तांकां रिपोर्ट दिया हाव टू प्रिजर्व फॉर द इयर्स ऑफ जनरेशन्स टू कम मोटो ऑफ द विजीट
आता तुम्ही बुकां पळयलां न्ही खंयची खंयची इम्पॉर्टन्स आहा कितें आहा
आनी सगळीं बुकां इम्पॉर्टंट सगळीं बुकां रेर आनी व्हॅल्युएबल सगळीं ती प्रिजर्व जावपाकूच जाय आनी प्रिजर्व मेथड्स खूब आसा ते हांव तांकां सांगतलो कशें कशें करपाचें तें आनी इट वील रिमेन एटलीस्ट अनदर 200 years कांय जावचें ना अशें मेथड्स म्हणटा
आता आता कंडिशन कशें आहा तेंगे बुकां
तशें डॅमेज ना तेचें फुडें मेंटेन जावपाकूच जाय फुडें मेंटेन जावपाक तें मॉइश्चर चड जाल्यार फुडें जातलें मॉइश्चर कंट्रोल जावपाक जाय आनी डस्ट कमी जावपाक
इनिशियल स्टेज तांकां हें कितें
इनिशियल पयलीं डस्ट क्लिनींग म्हणल्यार डस्ट क्लिनींग आनी मागीर डेटा एंट्री सॉफ्टवेअर घालून डेटा एंट्री करपाचें आनी देन स्कॅनिंग करपाचें सगळें बुकां थ्रू आनी सेंट्रल लायब्ररी वील गिव फ्री library management software called e-Granthalaya. It will be installed in these machines and it will be available for web-based system. Anywhere anyone can see from the world.
सर केन्नाच्यान आतां हें करपाक
आमी रिपोर्ट दिता आनी मागीर आमी इन्स्टंटली कॉन्स्टंटली वी वील हेल्प देम टू मेंटेन गो टू गोवा युनिवर्सिटी एंड सेंट्रल लायब्ररी.
सो हे जे कंडिशन क्रिएट जावपा वॉट आर द रिजन
Reasons many, probably less usage also and moisture also. Sometimes moisture.
नांव कितें तुमगें
I'm Dr. Carlos Fernandez, in charge Department of Library Science, Goa University, and head of University Library.
आनी कोण आहे तुमचं
Milind Mohammed, assistant professor, Goa University, and assistant librarian, Goa University.
नांव कितें
Dr. Vikram Malwankar. हांगा ओल्ड
So मातशें पर्सन
हांगा अशें ओल्ड अशें कलेक्शन आसा जें रेर आनी व्हॅल्युएबल तें कशें प्रिजर्व करचें पयलीं आमची मागणी तेंची म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलाची मागणी आसा आनी तेणें आमकां लेटर बरयलें थ्रू वायस चान्सलर ते येवन मातशें पळय म्हणून वायस चान्सलर आमकां इंस्ट्रक्शन दिलें तुमी वचून पळया आनी मागीर तांकां रिपोर्ट दिया हाव टू प्रिजर्व फॉर द इयर्स ऑफ जनरेशन्स टू कम मोटो ऑफ द विजीट.
आता तुम्ही बुकां पळयलां न्ही खंयची खंयची इम्पॉर्टन्स आहा कितें आहा
आनी सगळीं बुकां इम्पॉर्टंट सगळीं बुकां रेर आनी व्हॅल्युएबल सगळीं ती प्रिजर्व जावपाकूच जाय आनी प्रिजर्व मेथड्स खूब आसा ते हांव तांकां सांगतलो कशें कशें करपाचें तें आनी इट वील रिमेन एटलीस्ट अनदर 200 years कांय जावचें ना अशें मेथड्स म्हणटा
आता आता कंडिशन कशें आहा तेंगे बुकां
तशें डॅमेज ना तेचें फुडें मेंटेन जावपाकूच जाय फुडें मेंटेन जावपाक तें मॉइश्चर चड जाल्यार फुडें जातलें मॉइश्चर कंट्रोल जावपाक जाय आनी डस्ट कमी जावपाक
इनिशियल स्टेज तांकां हें कितें
इनिशियल पयलीं डस्ट क्लिनींग म्हणल्यार डस्ट क्लिनींग आनी मागीर डेटा एंट्री सॉफ्टवेअर घालून डेटा एंट्री करपाचें आनी देन स्कॅनिंग करपाचें सगळें बुकां थ्रू आनी सेंट्रल लायब्ररी वील गिव फ्री library management software called e-Granthalaya. It will be installed in these machines and it will be available for web-based system. anywhere anyone can see from the world.
सर केन्नाच्यान आतां हे करपा
And आमी रिपोर्ट दिता आनी मागीर आमी instantly, constantly we will help them to maintain it. We go to Goa University and Central Bank.
So, ये जो condition create what are the reasons?
Reasons, probably less usage also and moisture also. Sometimes moisture.
नाव कितें तुमगेलें?
I'm Dr. Carlos Fernandez, in charge Department of Library Science, Goa University, and head of University Library.
आनी कोण आहे तुमचं?
Milind Mamal, assistant professor, Goa University, and assistant librarian, Goa University.
नाव कितें?
Dr. Vikran Malvankar.
British library in Goa, and especially the Portuguese. There are very few municipalities which were having the libraries. And I think I came some 20 years back when I was writing about the history of libraries in Goa, and now there is a total difference what I see, especially in the maintenance. And care should be taken of especially our heritage, those are the old Portuguese books. And since we have experience in the library science for many years, we will definitely help you in maintenance or the scanning of the document and everything. Okay, let's see how it proceeds. Thank you.
Sir, your name?
Milind Mamal, Assistant Professor, Goa University in the Library Science Department.
Thank you.